We now go to a primetime news follow-up. 4 of 10 men listed as persons of interest have turned themselves in to the police following Saturday's brazen daylight shooting in Denham town. Jamaica Maitland was in the area today and now reports.
The men were given a deadline of midday on Monday to report to the Denham Town Police Station following Saturday's incident.
They are Tafari Anderson, otherwise called Kirk, Omar Stewart, otherwise called Quinty, and Amani Malcolm, otherwise called Bling Dog. And I think, based on some information coming to me, there have been some contacts made by some attorneys who are representing others.
The list also includes 2 wanted men only known to the cops as Kyle and Rico. Now, this is where the shooting took place in Denham Town on Saturday on Market Street. 5 people were shot and many more injured. According to residents, they were ambushed by gunmen at a birthday event. But if you look closer behind me, you'll see where the men allegedly came from, the Edward Siaga Primary School. Residents who declined to speak on camera recalled how the loud explosions frightened the group, who were partying just a few feet away from the Denham Town Police Station. Laughter quickly turned into screams of terror as people ran for their lives. Some of them sought refuge inside the police station. Residents revealed that the officers returned fire, but they were too late, as the gunmen had already escaped through the nearby primary school. According to the police, there's a faction in the Shooters Hill gang in Denham Town. TVJ News understands that some of the gang members have pledged support to the YG presidential clique in Tivoli Gardens. 2 men from the Koch family are among those listed as persons of interest, and up to news time, at least one of them, Lancaster Bomber T. Koch, had turned himself into the police.
We have information suggesting that a major gang to which they had an alignment, there have been some persons who want to break that sort of alignment with that particular gang, and as such, they have been targeted by the major gang.
Denham Town has been declared a zone of special operations since October 2017. Residents argue that while the physical infrastructure has improved, social issues prevail. Due to the ongoing violence, the streets remain empty and business doors are half shut. But even as they look forward to the relaxed COVID-19 measures, they continue to remain in lockdown because of crime. Events which keep the local economy going are now seen as targets by gangsters. And as a result, the police are cautious about issuing permits for entertainment events.
The Kingston Western Police will not be issuing any permits to any area which is involved in any conflict at this time. We will be ensuring that the safety of our residents are taken into consideration, and as such, we will not be issuing any permits for any event.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.